Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, update your system, and unlock it so settings apply immediately. Once ready, go straight to Settings and toggle NFC on under Connections. This turns on the radio that reads tags and payments. Make sure the back of your Oneplus is clear of thick metal or magnetic mounts because they block signals. Keep the screen on while testing. NFC often requires the display active to exchange data. This gets you past obvious blocks and into the first actionable state. Once NFC is enabled, you configure how it behaves. Install an NFC utility if you'll write tags, or open your payment app for contactless payments. When writing a tag, place the program's write command, then tap the tag to the phone's rear where the NFC coil is. Hold steady until the app confirms success. For pairing accessories, tap the device to your phone and accept pairing prompts. The system routes the connection. Make sure to set default app choices so a single tap triggers the correct action every time. To finish, perform a test. Tap a known NFC tag or make a small contactless purchase and watch for the read/confirmation animation. Once verified, secure the feature by disabling NFC when idle and auditing which apps have permission to use it. If something fails, reboot the phone first, remove any case or magnetic mounts, and try again. Also check that the tag type is supported and your default payment or intent handlers are set correctly. These quick checks resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.